Yeah, this is the end of week 4. It's Friday. BCA-101 questions. So, was there any issues with word processing and how to submit the project? Talked about the project, talked a little bit about the course, talked about social impact, unit completion on Monday, and we'll actually get started with Unit 3 details. Let's start on that on Monday. Okay. We talked about word processing, talked about sharing links, we talked about the web, the whole idea of communicating content. Talked a little bit about the project, of course, social impact. We spent quite a bit of time talking about the internet, what kind of impact. Students talked about the pluses, talked about negatives. We actually, here they talked about data, artificial intelligence, mainly machine learning. Talked a little bit about the algorithms and how those algorithms use this large amount of data that we have on everybody, and the machines can adjust based on the algorithm. We talk a little more about machine learning later on. We talked a little bit about YouTubers doing videos and selling advertising. They can either sell advertising, we talked about 2 different ways. They can sell advertising either, you see it on the video, or sponsored ads. You talk about ads. Along with YouTubers, we also talked a little bit about other ways of streaming, Twitch and so forth, online. We also talked a little bit about the anxiety wrapped around doing that, which is something new. But they're noticing the anxiety of performing, always streaming, being online, no matter how you're online, whether it's YouTube or Twitch and so forth. It's amazing what we keep track of. So the whole idea, too, we're talking about this technology, in what ways. There's a lot of ways that it makes our lives better, and then there's a lot of concerns with what technology is doing with our lives and how much people monitor everything we do. Okay, so we'll finish up the unit on Monday, get started on the next unit, and finish up word processing this coming week. And that's it.